For homeowners in Loves Park, enhancing property value is often a top priority, whether you're preparing to sell or simply investing in long-term comfort and efficiency. One of the most effective ways to achieve this is through vinyl window replacement. Modern vinyl windows combine durability, energy efficiency, and contemporary design, making them one of the most sought-after upgrades in today's housing market. As local homeowners look for smart, value-boosting improvements, several vinyl window replacement trends are shaping homes throughout Loves Park. Energy efficiency is a key selling point in Loves Park's climate, where winters are cold and summers can be humid. Energy efficiency is a major factor in home value. Today's vinyl windows are designed with advanced insulating features that appeal to both homeowners and potential buyers. Popular energy-efficient upgrades include double or triple pane insulated glass low-E, low emissivity coatings. Argon or krypton gas fills multi-chambered vinyl frames. These technologies help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reduce energy consumption, and lower utility bills. Energy-efficient homes are highly attractive to buyers, making vinyl window replacement a valuable investment with strong resale potential. Modern styles that enhance curb appeal. A home's exterior appearance significantly influences its market value. Vinyl window replacement trends in Loves Park emphasize clean lines, larger glass areas, and customizable finishes that complement a wide range of architectural styles. Homeowners are increasingly choosing black or dark-colored window frames for bold contrast. Larger picture windows to maximize natural light combination. Window styles that create visual interest. Grille patterns that reflect traditional or contemporary design. These modern aesthetics not only refresh the look of a home but also enhance curb appeal, an essential factor in boosting property value. Low-maintenance living appeals to buyers. One of the standout benefits of vinyl windows is their low-maintenance design. Unlike wood frames that require regular painting or sealing, vinyl windows resist fading, peeling, and moisture damage. This durability is especially appealing to busy homeowners and prospective buyers looking for convenience. Routine care typically involves simple cleaning with mild soap and water, eliminating the need for ongoing upkeep. This long-term ease of maintenance adds to the overall value and attractiveness of the home. Improved comfort and noise reduction. Modern vinyl windows also enhance indoor comfort by reducing drafts and minimizing outside noise. With improved insulation and tighter seals, homeowners experience fewer temperature fluctuations and quieter living spaces, benefits that are particularly valuable in Loves Park neighborhoods near busy roads or community areas. Buyers appreciate homes that offer year-round comfort, making upgraded windows a strong selling feature. Sustainability and eco-friendly upgrades. As environmental awareness grows, many Loves Park homeowners are prioritizing sustainable home improvements. Vinyl window replacement aligns with this trend by improving energy efficiency and reducing the home's overall carbon footprint. Additionally, many modern vinyl windows are manufactured using eco-conscious processes and recyclable materials. This sustainability factor resonates with environmentally minded buyers and contributes to a home's long-term value. Enhanced security features. Security is another important consideration for homeowners and buyers alike. Today's vinyl windows are equipped with advanced locking mechanisms, reinforced frames, and optional impact-resistant glass. These features enhance protection while maintaining the sleek appearance homeowners desire. A home with updated, secure windows is often perceived as safer and more desirable, further increasing its market appeal. Professional installation. For maximum value. To fully realize the benefits of vinyl window replacement, professional installation is essential. Proper installation ensures airtight sealing, structural integrity, and optimal energy performance. It also helps protect your investment by maintaining manufacturer warranties and preventing future issues such as air leaks or moisture intrusion. For homeowners in Loves Park, working with experienced professionals ensures that new windows deliver both immediate and long-term value. A smart investment for Loves Park Homes. Vinyl window replacement continues to be one of the most effective ways to boost home value in Loves Park. With energy-efficient features, modern design options, low maintenance requirements, and enhanced comfort, these windows offer lasting benefits that appeal to today's homeowners and future buyers alike. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to improve your living environment, upgrading to modern vinyl windows is a practical and rewarding investment, enhancing your home's beauty, performance, and value for years to come.